Yeah, when individuals get charged with a criminal offense, their liberty is at issue, and it's a very nerve-wracking experience if you've never, come into contact with law enforcement in that way, or are in a situation where, your freedom is at issue. And so I think one of the important roles that we play with clients is to assure them that, first and foremost, based on our expertise, we have the ability to get them, a favorable outcome. What I also don't try to do with clients is to try to manage expectations based on the nature of the offense, the facts and circumstances, and so forth. And I always like to say that I try to under-promise and over-deliver. But it's a very nerve-wracking experience. I think myself and Darren, who handle obviously the criminal practice here at the Meade Law Group, have a sensibility to that. We're both former prosecutors, so I think one of the things that does is that fuels and informs our judgment on how to handle these kind of cases, because we've been on the other side and we know what the burden of proof is. But it's a nerve-wracking experience for individuals who are true first offenders. We have a sensibility to that because it's a foreign environment. You've never gone into arraignment court. You don't know what the elements of the offenses are. You don't know the process by which motions are filed. So we try to, in addition to providing not only obviously an adequate defense, educate our clients on the process as well. And I think that gives them a level of assurance and allows that level of anxiety to lessen as we move through the process.